Hello, followers of Latham's Art. By the way, thank you for following us, and we hope you enjoy our paintings. Miss Jasmine is here, too. Just wanted to let you know that. And we've been doing our pond, and she doesn't want to be on camera. Once again, she's weaseling out of being on camera. We'll get her on here more regularly in the future, but we are in the middle of constructing this, and we hope you like it. We decided to video out here. We're going to do some paintings out here. We have some changes coming to this channel. We are Christians. We do believe everyone is a masterpiece, a piece of the master. For years, I've been coaching girls who've been through abuse, women who've been through abuse, and even struggling to come off of drugs, alcohol, and whatever the situation has been. And Jasmine is certified as a coach. We are going to bring some spiritual study and maybe a little exposure of abuse. There's too much abuse in the church. There's too much. I've been through it a lot. I've been through the SA. I've been through the family turning their backs, scapegoating me. I've been through the house with the vicious, violent stepfather and the very sad endings of that, the struggles. I'll just shorten this, the struggles that people go through. I've experienced them, and I know a lot of you may not want to be involved in that, and know that you're here for painting, which is going to continue. But on Sunday evenings, there's going to be some encouraging scriptures and painting, and if we learn how to go live, and we're just learning this, but we know there's a demand for it. So I have to do it because it's in our hearts. We want to help people. I am old, and art is therapy, and you are artwork. God is the master artist. So you see, it's all tied together. And us older ladies, in Titus, it tells us we're supposed to help the younger females or males, whoever. We are not supposed to just get our healing and forget about everyone else. So I just wanted to give an update. We have just purchased this house. That's the reason we haven't been posting videos. And once again, I am old. We've been moving and setting it up so we could paint out here, and setting up our new studio. And
it's been a whirlwind.
It has been. And we thank God for this little house and this beautiful little pond back here. And you can see God everywhere. You can feel a breeze blow across your face, and there He is. We have our oxygen, right? So we are going to celebrate art, celebrate ourselves, celebrate you. We're going to have some fun and hopefully encourage you and help you in any way that we can.
And also, do you...
Exactly. I gotta show you.
Explain what
yes. This is Bill Alexander's brush. Now, we have Bob Ross because of Bill Alexander. And as I said, I'm old. I learned from Bill Alexander. And I thank God for his teaching in a very dark time in my life. I'm not dragging you down that road. But anyway, in a very dark time in my life, I needed to be encouraged. And Bill, he says, fire in there. We'll show a clip of it.
Then with it goes always, get palette in the front. Oh, what a beautiful world. I say, fire in and make it happen. And then fire in, no mercy, no mercy. Look at the blue. And we can fire in, no mercy today. It goes, wham, and that's it. They would say, don't you use that word almighty because God is almighty. Naturally, God is almighty. God, give me that almighty power. He shouts, right now you see behind me that almighty power. God has given me that, and I use it in the fall. I use it fall, complete.
And people said, "Oh, he's so aggressive." See, Bob had this gentle voice and everything, but that wasn't Bill. Bill was full of fire. Bill had been through a very, very hard life. And he's trying to get you free. Jump in there. Don't fear. Don't be afraid. Fire in there.
Passion
I remember,
for life.
yeah, passion for life and for painting. And I think one time he said, I can use my shoe if I want to, when he was painting. So we just want to say we are so thankful for Bill and how he inspired me. And it's because I learned so much from him that I want to pass his spirit on. I want to pass on. Now I can't begin to do it as much talent as Bill and as much interest as Bill. He was just one of a kind. No doubt about that. But I'll try. I'll do the best that I can to encourage you. So we thank you for listening. God bless you.